skillet, we have some olive oil and we have butter, unsalted. Cook the steak. This is a T-bone cut. Let's go ahead and get that baby in there. Can you all hear that sizzle? Let me tell you what I seasoned that T-bone with. So I went in with some salt. I used low sodium, black pepper, a little adobo, we use some Kinder Steak blend, and last we use the spice wrap thyme steak. So that's the seasoning. I'm going to add a little bit more butter. Can y'all see that brown? Look how brown. Doesn't it look gorgeous? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Now she's browning beautifully. Look at that. I can put more butter because this is not my piece. Y'all know I don't do too much dairy, but this is hubby's piece, so I'm going to put a little bit more. Get all that flavor. If you're watching, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Keitha T. I'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for the next video. Y'all, that steak looks absolutely delicious. And by the way, we like it well done. Thanks again. Bye, y'all.